city in transformation. Actually, Expo 2015 has triggered new relevant projects of development, reuse and new construction. The construction sector in Lombardy has overtaken the crisis, and there's a big relaunch of activities that can be implemented in the region, in Milan in particular, and in some way in the country as a whole. Major projects imply transformation of the environment, transformation of the infrastructure surrounding the project. In our experience, the Milan ecosystem is capable of support the investors in the path, in the administrative path, and to balance the different interests involved in the project. Given the vitality of the construction sector, in recent years, many investment funds are investing in real estate portfolio. I mean, commercial, industrial, and residential sectors. Well, it's important to understand that investing in real estate sector is not just to sign a sales contract. It's important to understand the legal environment and to have an in-depth knowledge of all the urban planning regulations. Lombardy is transformation.